Hello Stamper, welcome to Frenchie's video. I'm Franz Martin, independent administrator with Stampin'Up at FrenchieStamps.com in the US. Today I'm going to share with you an interlock fold because it's interlocked inside each other. So it's like a 10 card also that stand up by itself like this. Well, really, I want to share this beautiful ribbon. And what I love about that ribbon it's that it's very manageable. Also, it's very soft, so you can, this card here will fit in a regular envelope. So when you put it in, just put it down and boom. I don't think it's going to need an extra postage on that. I think it's going to go very with the regular postage, but to make sure, check with your postmaster. And voila, even when it's just going to fluff right back up. So the stamp set that I'm using two stamp sets here. I'm using the Well set. I'm doing those cards for anniversary for my team. I love the greeting celebrating another year of happiness. It could be a wedding anniversary also, but I'm using it for my team anniversary. Also, life is a beautiful journey. You could do birthday card, anniversary card, wedding card. This ribbon, it is on page 50, excuse me, 50 something, 1 second. It is with the Halloween section. So don't stop at the Halloween section and think that, oh, that is just for Halloween. Because trust me, this is gorgeous. Would be beautiful on Christmas card also. It is right here on page 53. I will have all measurement, all detail and supplies below in the direct link to my blog. So let's get this card done. And like I said, I'm using the Peony Garden paper. I love those print, very soft. So we will start. I pre-done stamp everything. Like I said, I was concentrating more on the ribbon, but I'm going to show this different fold. So this measure 4 1/4 by 11. You're going to score at 2 3/4 and 5 1/2. You're going to fold in accordion down and back up. Make sure you reinforce your score line to make sure that it stand up very gentle or stand up straight, okay? So reinforcing the score line for this fold, gonna make it or break it, put it that way. Now I emboss a piece of Whisper White with the brick, the mortar and brick, measure 4 by 5 1/4. That will be in the front, the back, whatever, inside layers, let's put it that way. Oops. I love to be generous on my glue, absolutely. Okay, we're going to put that right here. You're going to ask me, is it a better way, up or down? It's just that sometimes the brick looks better one way or the other, so I just flip it. Here we go. So now that was embossed. Now the next piece here, measure 2 3/4. Yeah, 2 3/4 by 7. So 2 3/4 by 7, score at 3 1/2. This is going to be the part that interlock, okay? So I'm going to again reinforce this. Inside, I just the inside measure 2 1/2 by 3 1/4. 2 1/2 by 3 1/4, and inside there I didn't put another greeting. I just leave it plain because I just got a little place to write, and that's my type of card because I do not like to write. My handwriting is horrible. Okay, this is going to be the front. I'm using Petal Pink that measure 2 1/4 by 3. 2 1. Oh no, I'm sorry. 2 1/2 by 3 1/4. 2 1/2 by 3 1/4, and the top piece it is 2 1/4 by 3. And again, don't worry about the measurement that I tell you. They're going to be all in. Oh, see, I had messed up in the back here. That's okay. Nobody going to see that. Always remember, you get 2 sides to a paper. It's no wrong to use them, right? Here we go. Now we're going to put that in the front of the card. Oops, when that happens, just roll back. Here we go. Now I'm back in business. Just roll back when that happens. And we're going to put that right here. We're going to put the bow the last of all. This one, I'm using the Seal Plus because when you adhere on a piece that it's embossed, it's easy that it won't pull up. So this way, I know it's secure. I don't put this up. I just going to make sure, put that right in the center here. And press that lovely. Now, this here, we're going to open that. The bottom part, that's where we're going to put the designer series paper. You're going to see it's a different print than this one. It's all from the same pack, okay? Just a different print. Same pack of paper, just a different print. And I use all the print that add the gray granite. Not sure if I told you, but this color here, it's gray granite. Some other print, like this would be basic gray, would be perfect with that. Also, smoky slate would go good with that. So you can do basic gray or smoky slate. The coordination colors say it is basic gray, gray granite, petal pink, and white. But smoky slate would go lovely with the one in the gray also. These are in the gray granite or petal pink. But I'm using petal pink as the accent. Now this one, like I said, I use the 2 stamp set, Life is Beautiful. That is from Beautiful World. So I'm going to put that right here. And it looked like I got the wrong measurement. So we're going to fix that. This one needs to be 2.5. Here we go. Now I remember I had all done it wrong. I had to cut them. Here we go, right here. So this is 2.5 by 4. And also the designer series paper, it's 2.5 by 4, 2.5 by 4. So now we get this. To make it so when you put it up, it don't fall down, what I done, you could have used the peony die. I wanted something more quick because I'm making a bunch of them. I used the Duet Butterfly Punch, and I use my wing of Stella. Can you see it's shimmery? I think so. So I just brushed the wing of Stella. When you do that, you want to brush that and let it dry because it kind of, the solution going to make it wet. So you want to make sure that it's dry. Now I'm searching for my glue dot. Oh, they're right here. I knew I had it here. Here we go. So very important here, glue dots at the bottoms of the wings, the bottom wing only, because you want it to be able to go down. I did double glue dots just for a little bit of thickness, but I didn't want too thick neither, like with the dimensional. Now you're going to take this, put that right here. Make sure when it's closed that it don't touch your glue dots. Like this. Now, voila, that keep it stand up. Is that cool? Now, let's bring this back down, and when you slide it down, see now it don't hit your glue dot. You don't want it to hit your glue dot at all. I don't measure. I find it easier if I leave it on my spool. So I just leave about, I'm going to say 3 inches at the bottom, do a loop on the right hand side, squeeze it. It's very soft. It's not stiff like anything like metallic we got. Super, super soft. So I come around to the right, and here you get your hole there, and I just push that there, and then tight. And then I can place it. Here we go. And that was way plenty long. See, I'm going to waste part of it. So one going to get cut down and then cut up. I'm wasting this here. I could have started with less, right? And I think it's even too big. No, not too big at all. I wanted really a nice bow at the front there. So you can put that wider if you want, pull it or leave it the way it is. Squeeze this one. I want this one a little bit shorter, so I just want to pull. Never mind the tail. I just want to make sure it's about the same. Never mind the tail. We're going to fix that right at the end. Just hold those tail, and in the back there, we're going to use a glue dot. Press your glue dot there and bring this here and put that right in the center. Press that, then you can place your bow. Come back up here. Et voila. Then you can spread this. Okay, now my bow is done. It won't pull, see, away there. If that happens, don't be afraid to use another glue dot and go under there and then push it down. See? Boom. Sometimes you have to have a little bit more tuck to keep it in the place that you want. Now that looks very good. I won't even cut the tail. I'm going to leave the tail the way they are, and voila. Is that cool? So again, all supplies, all measurement will be on my blog. So right below, you got all the detail. So this is going to help you using that beautiful ribbon. Till next time, happy stamping, my friend. Bye-bye for now.